ayitikoracha manango.
Ahee, namkena kambe ka Master Xitsonga analyst. Channel. Yeah, of course, I'm the title level. Also, go Mr. Post. Looking at the King link, of course, not Dr. Joshi Reman. Oh, of course, the King. Gonna got the iTunes in terms of course, the King. On the album, Star with Teranjan, of course, Mr. Post Munwensen, and also Dr. Joshi Reman, of course, Tulamsa. As we can see, the King is such a very so hina lava hi le ku searcheni hi ku South African iTunes top albums. It's very very important vanhu va swi twisa swilo swo fana sweswo ku hi ri top albums, as you can see. And then nkarhi wu kona le henhla le, it's 7:51, date i 6 December. Hi ku mi swi toka leswa so Master T i teka nkarhi wa yena make sure ku hala nga ta pfuka ta kaneta video leyi, because everything swa tikomba swi editiwa nkarhi lowu ta rhimina le henhla. For now mi kha mi vona ku i 7:51, as you can see. Se hina lava ha click link, as you can see hi click yi tlhe yi load mi swo ni yi loadini, even then tlhen refresher just to make sure ku ma swi vona ku swilo leswi ni le ka page, as you can see. Hi lava hina lava ha zooma, hina lava hina ha zooma, hina lava ha zooma. Lolu fika ni ntlhanu fana kuma ku boom. What's it called, Mr. Post? I comment number 1 on iTunes, as you can see. As you can see, before we to tala na ku make sure ku na hala henhla swa tikomba ku hi leswi iTunes top albums, as you can see. Ku very very ku compare ta albums hi swo ni vona ku swi make sense, guys, because hi loko compare ka ta albums ku hume ta albums, so it makes sense ku hi compare ta albums na mhaka leyiwa, not the songs. So as you can see, now can refresh again, as you can see, and refresh in a swa ha kaneteki manje. So as you can see, po guys, I'm surprised. I'm surprised. Very very munhu wo teka ti chance me. I'm surprised. As you can see, wasungove ya leyi khome number 1. Ni ta mi tlhela ni mi byela ku i cinci swi tlhela swi endla ku mhaka leyi va surprising ngopfu. As you can see, hi leswi number 1. Musi ma swi vona musa swa ha kaneteki i lowu wasungove hi zoom out hi tlhe hi vuya kambe hi hina lava very very hi jahanga man. Loko already yi khome number 1 hi tlhe hi refresha hina lava ma swi ku tlhe swi hi vuyisa kwala. As you can see, look, i comment number 1 yale a swi editiwanga loyi yi tsala na web search la ngomi swi tiva ku mi tirhisa ku yina Chrome. It means le ndzeni ka website leswi. So hi nga vula tani ku congratulations to Hosingo Mr. Post, Mr. Tower. Congratulations to him. I'm surprised. A ni nga swi hleketelangu mina ni nga yi khoma number 1 Hosingo Mr. Post, tanihi sweswi hi nga swona ku humelele swo tala ngopfu hi nga ta va hi kha hi swi langutisa vhele vhele. So a dyi beni swinene. So leswi nga ku ni hlamarisa i ku dokodela a ni loko yi vonini laha, like what's happening, guys? Ya ni ta ni zoome kahle ni vona Dr. Mkwebo kwala, as you can see ka number 5. So I'm shocked ku Dr. Joshi Reman a yi le ku humeni ku endleka yini, guys? Le Poison fans, what's happening? Mina I'm surprised ku a yi le ku humeni la. So ni ta ni kha ni zama ku va ni yi checka a little bit slow. Mi ni pfuna na n'we, guys, mi ni pfuna loko ku ri mo hi vona ku mi matihla mi ya ti karhelerini mani. Ni ndle ti-videos to tala ngopfu the previous day. Mara ni kha ni cheka laniwa laha a ni se yi vona DJ yi nga na D, ni vona DJ Ganyana, as you can see kwalani a hi yenini. Hi langutisa laha ku nga na D. Okay, let's go. Ni le ku laveni na D sweswi leswi ni endlaka swona is Dr. Joshi Reman. So I'm trying to look for a D. Just to see if I can find it. D or DJ Mumbala Ngumarunga. You tlhe huma kambe ipheko. What's happening? Okay, na lava ya hansi ni vona dope here. Oh, hi le dokodela le. Guys, yi le ka number 124. Hey, what's happening? 124. Hayi bohi ku biwa. Aka iTunes va yi be ku biwa ku yiba. And then like the albums, that's what they need to understand. The album thing gaining, so it's I think in overall swi ta va swi ve fair. Na ku hi ta va very very calculate na sweswi Master T ni nga te ni ta swi langutisa ku na swo tala ni nga ta tlhela ni swi langutisa very very, but so for now va yi rahini for now. Xihundla yaleyo yi le ka number 124. Hey guys. Hey guys, what's happening? Ya ku le ku tiki. Really 124. Loko se hi tlhela ka Hosingo Mr. Post, as you can see i le ka number 1 sweswi hi vulavulaka. I le ka number 1. Oh kambe loko nga zoom a nghena ka swi vona kahle. As you can see i le ka number 1 la. so leswi u kombisa tanihileswi hosi nkove a hi kha hi vula ku swa ku didi tshembini leswi ni kha ni vula swona as mhaka loko ze divana nga at 6 swa ku didi tshembini and impela swa tikomba ku a didi tshembini because guys video ti le ka number 1 ti le ka number 1 hala ka YouTube problem a ni zani ti-stream hinkwato ne hala ka YouTube na ri ku streamini na mina a hi yini ni ya streama guys a hi yini ni ya streama na ri ku streamini na ku sungule hi ya Hosi Ngome Mr Post album na ri ku yingiseleni kahle ni nga jahangi yeah but then overall na kha na heta so a hi yingiseleni ti-albums a hi yingiseleni ti-albums yeah and overall yini ti-views ti le ku tirheni kahle laha as you can see and then dokodela a ni za ni yingisela ni ta yingisela na yona ni ta yingisela na yona a ni za ni yingisela but yeah his project na yona yi kona as you can see a loko ni kha ni cheka ti-views guys ya swi komba ku na competition yi kulukumba ngopfu ka ha to tila ka YouTube ti ta vuya hala ti ta kha ti vuya swinene ti ta vuya swinene ti ta vuya blind so for now hala very very leswi ku ta ku ri a long period thing hi ta tlhela swi chekisa nkarhi wun'we hi ngo mi swi tiva ku hala wa hi ta swi yimela ti gadara ti-streams ti gadara and stuff like that mavela mhaka leyi mhongo ni le ka yona ni se ti kona ti-albums ti kona ka iTunes nakona hi fambeni hi ti cheka hala very very hi ngo mi swi tiva ku ti-views hi ta hi kha hi ti rivele loko se nkarhi wu kha wu famba a hi streamini guys a hi streamini a hi probleme sweswo Hosi Ngome Mr Post na hi se i kona yeah as you can see na yena se project yi kona ka Spotify a hi streamini hi to ti-important platform leswi swi nga na mali swilo leswi mara hi na ku YouTube xi na mali YouTube a hi streamini guys a hi streamini so hala ka Hosi Ngome ku tlhela ku na khombo rikulu like i le ku bekeni misa lowu because ku na channel xa viri xa Vulombe TV hambi swilo hi nga zama hi ku at least a delete mara loko a delete a hi kombela kahle very very ku a hi le ku lweni ku at least hi nga n'wi kwatisi mara hi mfo delete hi le ku onheni veri Vulombe TV hi le ku onheni ka ti-views ta Hosi Ngome guys look like come on guys look at this ni ri ni ka 12,000 views hi ri ni ri on tuku hi ri leri tiko ra swo ku vanhu va rhandza ni ri ka 12 so i loko losing ka ti-streams to tala ngopfu Hosi Ngome as you can see tin'wana ti le ka ma 8k as you can see kwalano hi nga ka 8k I just want to check ni vona ku hi ti nga onhiwa ngopfu like i loko onheriweni ti-views leti nga ti tele ngopfu hala no la ku cheka vanhu ku so far va rhandza ti-tracks ku hi laha swi nga pfuna na matiko lewa track I think I like it I like the beat so i loko onheriweni and swa Hosi Ngome a ku postiwa laha ntsena phela loko u tlhe hi zama ku cheka laha ku tlhela ku na lowa veri giya loyi a hi n'wi chekeni na yena like vona ti-streams leti nga laha ti tele guys loko combine hi leswi ni kha ni vula swona as Master Team ka mi ni twini ku tin'wana ti ta ti reach ho ma 10,000 hi leswi ni kha ni vula swo views ya to tala in overall ta Hosi Ngome Mr Post ti hinde ti ri ti 10,000 a ti hinde ti rini hi le ka YouTube ntsena ve le ku cheleteni va yisa laha a va delete va yisa laha a va delete swi wrong it's wrong ve le ku onheleni ka munhu it's very very wrong so i vula njhani Master T because vonani guys loko ku ri risimu ra Hosi Ngome Mr Post a ri ta trenda it means it won't be able to trend swi nga affecta na trend swa affecta sweswo loko ku ri tinsimu ti poste na kun'wana because loko yi fika yi trenda ka YouTube va langutisa track yi ri yoxe like ka platform yo karhi yin'we la ka YouTube le hi lowa ko ka YouTube music very very mara lava fika va languta ka platform yin'we so na loko a mu kuma ku a ta trenda swi nga fika swi n'wi impacta in that way wena mhaka leyiwa but in overall as we conclude nkarhi sweswi 8 o'clock as you can see kwalano Hosi Ngome Mr Post i le ka number 1 as you can see lo congratulations to Hosi Ngome Mr Post mbini lani nga swi hleketelanga considering na sabotage leyi nga humelela ka n'wina this year mbini swinene and then dokodela guys yeah it's very very fun ku ri like Limpopo Poison fans ku ndeka yena a swi le ku hlekiseni ku leswi le ku hlekiseni a redzi ku ndeka yini lawa 124 like guys mina I don't understand it 124
I bought you flowers. Papa, I bought you flowers.
I'm not gay.
But then why is it about being gay?
I meant being bought flowers.
Yeah.
No, I refuse them. I
Why?
reject them in the name of Jesus.
Love flowers doesn't represent anything bad.
Not flowers.
No, wait,
You could have
Becca.
just bought me a chocolate or something.
But-
Flowers.
Love, I'm giving you flowers while you're still alive, most.
flowers to a man.
What's wrong?
I know. I'd rather be old-fashioned. I'd rather be old-fashioned.
Mommy, do you remember the time that I gave Daddy chocolate?
Not flowers.
Love, I bought you flowers.
Daddy.
But call, a man doesn't take flowers. A man doesn't take flowers. Takufona level. Takufona.
What's wrong, love?
Love. A man taking. Okay, what will I do with flowers? What will I do with flowers?
Love, I bought you flowers. I'm giving you your
What will
flowers so
I
you're
do
still
with
alive.
flowers? What will I do with flowers?
You must cherish them. I bought you flowers.
Love, no. I'm not a man with mixed feelings or mixed whatever.
Mommy,
Very
what's
true.
cherish?
It's
It's to
me.
love. Okay, give to Basco.
Love, I bought you flowers. No, Basco. Love, I bought you. Love, go get to my blomo. What's wrong?
Imagine uregele nna di flowers. Le batswadi ba ka batla reng ha ba sa phela ba bona their son being happy for flowers. No.
What's wrong, love?
No. Buy me Rolls Royce, buy me McLaren, buy me something, not flowers. Even if you just pass by and bought me a cheap watch.
Love, go get to the flowers.
No, I don't want